Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Hoffman Estates, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is about 100 miles away from your current location. It can be either an interstate or intrastate move, that is within the state or outside of it. If your destination falls under this category, you don't have to worry. We can help you move at an affordable price. Our standing with both federal and state authorities is excellent. The excellent rapport with the authorities helps to secure the safety of our clients and their belongings. To further protect our clients' interests, we have set up various insurance policies. These policies will protect the interest of the client when an unforeseen incident occurs. You only have to inquire from our previous clientele or the community. We are the best movers you can find around. Our movers are legally registered and have what it takes to execute your local move professionally. They're also diligent when it comes to discharging their duties. Not only are we friendly and customer-centric, but we are also adept at making our customers feel comfortable. Our rates are affordable, usually only about $30 to $40 per hour. We make sure to move your belongings to your new location as quickly as possible. To ensure that your move is as smooth as possible, we help you draw out a simple moving plan. The plan considers the entire journey, and then we suggest the best move based on the results. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hoffman Estates moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.